Hello people, for this round, we're gonna show you how to disable Discord on PC Startup. Now, let me give you a free tip. Generally for other apps, you can just go to Startup and you can disable them here. But for some reason, Discord doesn't show here on the apps. Maybe that's on my end, but the simpler solution is to actually go to user settings. Now, find app settings, Windows settings, and here you go. Just switch that off and you're good to go. Now, if you have any other questions, you can just leave a comment down below. And if this video helped you out, please leave a like, maybe subscribe. Thank you, and see you again next time.